Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. Today we've got a treat for you. My good friend, Dr. Wynn Horsley, who's a medical doctor and a gospel medical missionary, is here to share with us some tips on the pandemic and how to maintain and keep good health. So, although we're separated by the miles, I just want to say thank you, Dr. Horsley, and you are welcome to my channel today.
What should we do about the pandemic? Well, I'm Dr. Horsley, and I'm here to go over a few guidelines. Let's not forget the guidelines that have already been given very clearly. Masks help avoid the spread of infection. First of all, spread from me to others. Any mask will help with that, like we see here. To protect yourself from others, it's best to use an even stronger mask, a type called N95 will protect you quite well. The second item that has been emphasized a lot is washing your hands. After you touch things in the public, like door handles, doors, food in grocery stores, any of the things in the public, as soon as you can, wash your hands, get them clean. Is there anything beyond these two basic things that have been emphasized and have been shown to reduce the rate of infection? Well, there is. You can strengthen your own internal army to resist and to fight infection. That's your immune system, and the soldiers in your army are the white blood cells. Your white blood cells, of course, depend on the nutrition in your blood, which depends on your diet. But one big danger is getting that blood sugar too high. In fact, it's best if it's even not just high normal, better in low normal, which means that you should not eat heavy, late suppers, because the most important time for your immune system to work is through the night. If you're going to eat a supper, eat it light and early, for instance, before 7 o'clock. Next major thing for your immune system is that it gets more active when you get more active. If you exercise well, the white blood cell count increases. The white blood cells are readier to gobble up the infectious agent like a virus. When you do your exercise, best to get it out in the sunshine. In fact, the sunshine kills infectious agent. It gets rid of viruses. And another thing, get it in clean air if you can. If you have access to being out in the country to get your exercise, or at least in a good park, that's the best. Another item is temperance. Avoid the things that are toxic. Tobacco, alcohol in any form. Another thing, avoid caffeine, especially in the evening, because that is going to interfere with one of the most important elements of good health and fighting infection, which is your rest. You need a good rest in the evening, and if you get plenty of exercise during the day, you're going to get good rest at night. Now, that temperance applies to all the things we've said. You can overdo even a good thing. Even exercise, intense exercise like running, would be best not to do for more than an hour or two. But walking, you can do almost any number of hours, and it's going to help your immune system. Finally, a most important step is peace. Internal peace. How do you get that? Trust in the one who is wiser than any of us. Trust in the Creator. That's not only thinking about Him, but actually talking to Him. Ask for His guidance. You'll have more wisdom than anyone else can give you. All the best in your fight against these infections.
Thank you for watching today's video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next Thursday.